If I start my new business before I'm being someone's wife, I'm gonna find someone to run my business, but still on my watch. You can fuck me over. You could never. You cannot fuck me over. You cannot run from me if you did a mistake. Cause I always gonna catch you. I'm a daughter mob. Okay? Okay? I love that. Cause when I become a mother, I wanna be fucking relaxed. Even though I make money, I don't wanna fucking do job, okay? Right? You do my job, okay. Give me the money of this month, the week. Write it down. Break it down. Cause I wanna be a boss, okay? But I don't wanna do the dirty work. I can still be a hot mom, but runs my business still. Perfect life. You know. I love it. I love it. What should we do? How many hours are already streamed? Only 2 hours? What the fuck? Against play mat. Do you have a pedicure? Yes, just yesterday. I had my pedicure yesterday because I get my nails done yesterday. Nails. You know, I miss being in a relationship where men taking care of me and I taking care of them too. Well, shit goes both way, right? Why is it shut down itself, bitch? Are you fucking dead ass? Cause I'd rather be in that relationship than being alone. Cause to be honest, I don't like being alone because I feel lonely. I can't be single for a long time. Never in my life. That's why I have to find a boyfriend right away or whatever. Being alone and have to work my ass off. Okay, I get the money, but I don't get a love. Fuck that. And I don't get a dick. Oh, I don't like one night stand. Not a big fan of it. Born to die. Why you gotta be so rude? You think you're safe here, Matt? You. Hey, Alita. Hey. Who is this? Oh, Matt Black. Ugh. What up, man? What up, man? Biggest man. Man, fuck that. Cause I'm not. I'm not new. Look, let me play the song so you don't call me racist. Cause the motherfucker exists, okay? Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday. You're the one who banned, not me. It's a fucking song, dumbass bitch. And first of all, why it's only your race who can